park.
Hmm.
Skateboarding. Cool.
Gotta look pretty for when we hand in our project.
Hmm. Cringe. Hmm. Uh,
Fart.
hmm. Hmm.
Leanne, tickle, stop it.
You're gonna be late for school.
Fart.
Hmm.
Hit.
Hmm.
I gotta get dressed. Gotta look good for Julianne.
Twitchy fart.